Our channel, and in this short video I'm going to be showing you how to do your registration on IQ option app. This allows you to trade an option market. So it's very simple and easy. So just follow the step by step of what I'll be showing you here, and you will be able to open your account immediately. The first thing that you need is the URL that has been sent to you, or the one that is pasted in a group. Just tap on it and allow it to decide to open up. Once you open up, the next thing you are going to do is to click on get started for free. Get started for free. Tap on get started for free, and the registration page will open up onto you. It's as simple as just putting your email address, your password, and your phone number. So in here, put in your email address, your password, which is the minimum of 6 characters, and you put your phone number here. Immediately you do finish that, you tap on create account. I've created an account already, and it is not advisable to create 2 accounts on this platform. So I will not be able to go ahead from here. Immediately you create your account, you will send an email to your email address that you used. Go there and verify your email. Then you need to go on to log in, which I'm going to log. When you log in, then you'll be able to now verify yourself. In this moment now, I am going to show you how to do that. So with your registration, and you log in with the email address and the password that you just used, you'll be taken to an interface like this. This is your account with a demo amount of 10,000 naira, $10,000 in it. So the next thing you need to do is to tap on this icon here. You tap on that icon, then your profile page will be opened up. This is where you get your name that you have filled. At first, the name will not be showing because you have not put your name. So, but it will be showing your ID. This is your ID. Then you need to tap on verification. Now need to tap on verification. Tap on verification. And tap on verification. All these ones, you'll be seeing them blank. You won't see all this green check mark and passed under them. So you now tap on them one by one to fill in your identities. And you tap on personal detail. Why it's not coming up is because this one has been done. I come up, you fill your name, your address, and everything. But as you are filling it, make sure that the name that you are filling in here is the same name that is in the government ID card that you are going to use. If you need to fill in your house address, make sure there is an address that is in your utility bill that you are going to use. So first time you have done the email verification, so that one will be passed. Then phone confirmation, you're going to do that. Then you're going to do proof of identity. In the phone confirmation, once you tap on it, it's going to bring this up. So you just put your phone number and tap on get confirmation code. When you get the confirmation code, it opens a page for you here. Type that code there, then your phone number has been verified. Then proof of identity, because I have done, it's not opening. So once it opens to you, it will show you to snap your ID card. You need to snap your ID card, either your national ID card, your voter's card, or international passport. You snap it, just follow the instruction. You snap it, place it as it ought to be. It can auto snap itself, but when it's not auto snapping because you didn't place it well, you can manually snap it. You see a button to press, and you press. So when all this has been done, then you can now go ahead and make a deposit of any amount you want to be using, and the minimum is $10. And one good thing about this is that when you tap on deposit, you can deposit with your Naira. And one thing I want to tell you from here is this: when you want to deposit, know within yourself whether you want your account to be in Naira or you want to be in dollar. Because immediately you tap deposit, it's going to bring up a page for you to choose the currency of your account. And that currency is only once, you can change it. If you choose Naira in that place, your account will be showed in Naira. Even if you fund your account with a cryptocurrency, which is USDT, the money will still show up in Naira. But when you pick on dollars, the currency of your account will be in dollar, then even if you fund it in Naira, it will be converted to Naira. So when I said it, one good thing about this is that you can actually fund with your OPay account, you can do your bank transfer, you can do cryptocurrency if that's what you are interested in. You can use your MasterCard and all that. But I will advise you to use your bank transfer because it's fast and it's easy. Then one thing you need to know again is that the first funding that you are going to do, whatever method that you use, that is the method you are going to be using to cash out your money. Even if your account is in dollars and you use OPay to fund it in Naira, by the time you are making your withdrawal, it's going to be made in Naira to your bank account. So make sure that it is the method that you want to be using that you should pick. If you want your money to be withdrawn in USDT, make sure that you pick USDT and you fund your first funding with USDT. So the minimum that you can fund in Naira is 15,200, which is almost equivalent to $10. So I'm not seeing anything dollar here because I've said on this account I have said it should be in Naira. And as I've told you, you cannot change it. Anything you picked in the first time, that's what you're going to stick with. So you can now choose whatever amount that you want to fund your account with, or you can type directly any amount you want to, 50,000. In case you want to use Naira, 1,000. If your account is in dollars, you can put minimum is $10. You can put 20. You can put 200. You can put 500. Whatever amount that you want to fund your account with. And once you have done that, put your phone number here. It's 13 digits starting from 324, and you say deposit. When you say deposit, if you are funding in Naira, it will give you the account number that you need to pay into. That account number is a Nigerian account number. Once it gives it to you, you pay into that account. That amount will reflect in your account here. Or if you want to pay in USDT, it will give you a wallet address. Just copy that wallet address, go to your wallet, and transfer the amount of USDT you want to transfer. But you must first of all put it here. If it's 50 USDT you want to put, $1 is 1 USDT. So see, it has shown 50. Why is showing Naira? Because this account is Naira, as I've said earlier. It's going to show $50 if it is you are in dollar denomination. So once you say deposit, it will take you to where it's going to give you either the account number in Naira or the wallet address that you're going to transfer to. And immediately you transfer to that wallet address, the money will reflect on your account here. Then you can start trading. One thing I need to emphasize here is that whatever methods that you use to fund your account in the first place, in the first instance, this first time, that is the method you are going to be using in withdrawing your money. So think about it very well before you do your first funding. You want to be withdrawing naira, you want to be withdrawing in dollars. Whatever method that you want, that's the method you are going to use to fund your account in the first time. So after that, you can use any other method to fund it, because it doesn't matter again. This is your first time that it matters. So with that simple step, you have opened your account. You have deposited money in your account. Then you can go ahead and start your trade. I want to wish you happy trading. So if you have watched the other two videos, that is showing you around the interface and how to place a live trade, then you can go ahead and begin to trade. But if you have not, this is the first video, watch the second and the third videos, and you will have a proper understanding of how this IQ option works. If you have any question, feel free to drop the question in the channel here, or drop it in our, if you are already in our WhatsApp group or in our Telegram group, drop the question there and I will surely answer you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a very successful trade in life. Thank you, and you are welcome.